Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tanaka Bekerwa, and today I'm going to walk you through inside my new application called Mail. So inside Mail, which is part of CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript, it's part of Project 3, and the main task was to design a front end for an email client that makes API calls to send and receive emails. So the function of the API is to get mail, send mail, and update mail. As you can see right now, I'm on the login tab. It's either I log in or I register. So if I'm a new user, I have to register, right? And if I'm an existing user, I can simply log in. So when you register, you're required to type in your email and your password and confirm your password. And as soon as you do that, you can register. But if you already have an account like me, you can simply log in. So I'm going to do that just to save time. So as soon as we go inside the application, there's an inbox, there's a compose box, there's a send inbox, then there's an archived inbox. So these are the four functionalities of the application, right? As you can see, there's currently nothing in all this because I did not do anything prior. So I'm gonna start by composing an email. Send mail. When a user submits the email composition form, the email should be sent and the sent inbox should be loaded. So if I send an email, let's say to Brian, right, and just say foo, I should say I got the foo. When I submit this email, my sent inbox should be loaded with the newest email that I just sent, which is foo. You can see it has my email right here, the sender, then there's the subject line and the timestamp. So this is currently inside what? My sent inbox. Is in the mailbox, right? When I click on inbox, compose, send, or archived, the appropriate title of the page should be right on top like this. So since I'm currently inside the send inbox, you can see the send is right on top. When I'm inside the inbox should be right on top. When I'm inside archived, the archive should be right on top. The name of the page should be right on top. If the email is unread, it should have a white background. Otherwise, it should have a gray background. So let's go inside my inbox. So this email is still unread. It has a white background. This email has been read. It has a gray background. This is how it works. Third thing is view email. When a user clicks on an email, they should be able to see the contents of the email, right? So if I click on this one, which is unread, I should be able to see the contents of the email. This email was sent from Rogers to Tanaka, which is me. The subject line is follow up on house party. The timestamp is the date and the time. And then the body itself is hey buddy, I'm just following up on my last email. Any response? This is the email content, right? As soon as that is going on, we know that we are doing well. The fourth thing is archive and unarchiving. So I should be able to archive this email, and as soon as I do that, it should go to the archived, right? As you can see that this email is red, it has a gray background, and now it appears in the archive tab. And final thing is I should be able to reply, right? I should be able to reply. So I can also just unarchive this if I don't want to archive it anymore, and it should return to my inbox. So as you can see, it has returned to my inbox and it is now empty inside my archive. So let me reply to Rogers on his follow-up, and as soon as I reply on an email, there should be a preview of the subject, of the sender, of the body as well, and the timestamps. All these things should be previewed. As you can see, all the contents of the email are previewed, and all I have to do is just say yes, you are invited, right? And as soon as I click submit, the email has been replied to. So as you can see, I can quickly log out and see if Rogers received it. If you might want to see how Rogers will see this email. Yes, inside the inbox, you can see that Rogers has received the email. Yes, you are invited. Here it is. Thank you for watching my channel and my video. Subscribe. Thank you, CS50.